Hey all, and happy week 5, your last week of ARE 490 for summer session 2. This will be a really brief video because there's not too much left to cover. There are about 7 of you that I have not heard from to schedule mock interviews, so since this is the last week at this point, you'll start losing points from that section of 5 points about kind of a timely contact for me. That's 5 out of your 20 points that you're allotted for this interview. If you have a wonky schedule and you don't think you can make a mock interview on Zoom or Skype work with me, still need you to contact me so we can figure out a solution or a way for you to still earn points and get this assignment done. I am flexible with it, but at this point, with everything else I have going on, it's going to be hard for me to squeeze y'all in, so get up with me as fast as you can via email. Let's get that mock interview scheduled, okay? That's due by Friday. We have to get that done by Friday. In addition to that, as you can see, you have a discussion board this week. We'll go to that in a minute. And then your job shadowing reflection should be submitted. So hopefully you've gotten that done. You're getting that done early this week so you can write your reflection. I tell students I'm less focused on perfect grammar. I'm more focused on your content and your focus on transferable skills. Now, if I'm seeing crazy stuff happening with your grammar and your formatting, I'm going to ding you, but that's not my key focus here, okay? And so be sure you get that submitted on time, 11:55 p.m. Any later, and it's a 0. That's just part of professional skills is time management. And then your video discussion this week is a little different. You only have to do, you see here, a final post, 1 post. You're going to give a summary of your job shadowing paper. You're recapping what you did, who you shadowed, what you learned, what made you excited about the job, and what didn't. And then where did you grow this semester? If mock interview was terrifying for you and you did that and you feel like you have a little more practice and you're just a little less scared, say that. If you felt like you didn't grow at all, that's okay. You can say that and you can say why. That's all we have left. Any questions? You guys know to email me, and I hope you have a great last week.